Okay, so I got it fully installed, the bracket, and it's looking pretty good. You're able to move it back and forth. In fact, so much room in the back, I'm able to put in that module I bought, the ASUS module, but I'm going to leave it up because I have confidence in that little thingamajig over there. And plus, it's much cleaner. So you can't beat that. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put it away for later on for another build. Now here's that riser cable that came with the Cooler Master vertical bracket. Alright, so now that we have the riser cable Gen 4.0 that came with the vertical bracket by Cooler Master. I got it running through the bracket. Now I got to plug this into the PCIe lane. Okay, here we go with the riser cable insert to the PCIe lane. Again, 4.0. Coming out from the bottom of the bracket. Now I gotta find some screws to get it mounted onto the bracket. Okay, found some screws, and here we are, guys, fully mounted on the vertical bracket of Cooler Master. Really good fit, no problem. Look at the space right here, enough space for the air to flow out of the case. I really like this setup. I'm going to keep it as a vertical bracket for this GPU. What do you guys think down below? Let me know. Now, I am considering changing the 24 pin to a strimmer. I do have a strimmer to fit here, but it's someplace downstairs. I'll deal with that at a later time, but for right now, I'm just going to use a direct connection for the PSU to the motherboard with a 24 pin, as well as the EPS cable up on top. I actually prefer this vertical mount because the way the case is built with the glass of the case, you're able to see the lights of this GPU. Come on, this looks really good. I'm really liking this style. Cougar Conquer 2 2025 coming up. All right, guys, so this is it so far. I have the GPU installed into the vertical bracket. My only gripe when I'm working this case again is the fact that there are no grommets available for the wiring and no filters for airflow towards the PSU. I think that was pretty much a mislook. I think at the time of paying for this case was about $300. If I remember correctly, I think $300 you should be able to get some filters and some grommets. Since I'm a nice guy, I do have some filter laying around, so I'm going to use this cut to size for that PSU, my main concern. Now, here's the crazy part about this case. It is a open concept case. Now, do I really have to add fans to the top? I don't believe so because of open concept case, but I'm going to. Stay tuned for more, guys.